Oh my god.
What's wrong? What? What? Do you want to come up?
Welcome back to Purr and Laughs. Today, it's all drama, comedy, and cuteness, starring our Oscar-worthy kittens. If cuteness had a size, it'd be exactly 1 slipper long.
Tam petit féminin vidéo. Anyhow.
Graceful? Maybe not. Adorable? Absolutely.
I am right here. You got quiet as hell.
When the bed looks like a mountain but your heart says climb anyway?
No. 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 No.
Hi, my love. Hi, baby. What are you doing? You just wake up?
From their silly antics to their tender cuddles, kittens bring so much joy into our lives.
It's okay.
Too small to refuse, too cute to bear. Everyone must pamper. After all the adventures, even the most playful kitten needs a good night's rest. Tiny enough to nap in a shoe, powerful enough to melt every heart.
Hello? Did you not realise where I were? You silly sausage.
Meow.
Are you stuck?
I'm giving it to you. Oh my god.
I just fed you. There's still milk on your mouth to prove it.
Oh god. I see you. I see you. You've been fed. You've been played with. What do you want now?
Have you ever shared a funny or heartwarming moment with a kitten? We'd love to hear your stories in the comments.
But I have to get up. I have to get up. I know. I know.
When you've got 2 kittens at home, every day feels like a cuteness festival.
What? It's just a metronome.
It's bedtime, but they're too cute to say goodnight to.
Yes, I see you. I see you.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
It's just a milk bottle. Did it really have to be this cute?
Get him, fast boy. Get him, fast boy. Meow, 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 meow.
미신님, 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 안비님, 빠빠.
Papa,
사실 진짜
Papa,
뭐?
Papa.
When your mouth says no, but your tummy says yes to the giant cookie.
Ow.
Oh, she's scared.
Oh, no. Girl, how are you?
Even kittens know how to say mama in the cutest way possible. Fresh out of dreams and already stealing hearts with that tiny stretch.
Feels so much better after your snack. Yeah, you guys were screaming at me.
So I guess I get my own cute little helper. Yeah? You gonna help me take the phone calls? Yeah. Oh, you tell them.
The bewildered eyes said, "What is this?"
Hey, it's right. Look, look.
What? Really? No way.
That one meow says it all. Mama, I'm starving and adorable.
He was a member of the U.S. Border Patrol. He was taken.
You like that? What's your issue? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
Who needs TV when your cat's a full-time comedian?
Кушать пойдем. Пойдем кушать. Кушать. Кушать, моя девочка моя. Сейчас я тебя...
Ты кого иди ешь, ну?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
Cat proves to warm your heart with the cutest sleeping pose.
Twilight, you like a dog, look at you.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope this tender moment brought a smile to your day. Wishing you good health, peace, and the joy of always having a little companion by your side. If this moment touched your heart, please like, comment, and follow the channel for more sweet stories to come.